Hi, welcome to another lesson for topspanish.com. For this lesson, we will learn some greetings in Spanish. To introduce yourself, you can say, Hola, me llamo Romina, or Hola, mi nombre es Romina. This means, Hi, my name is Romina. Another way to introduce yourself is, Hola, soy Romina. This also means, Hi, my name is Romina. To ask somebody for their name, you can say, ¿Cómo te llamas? Which means, what is your name? If you want to ask a person how they are, you can say, ¿Cómo estás? Which means, how are you? Finally, let's go over a few greetings depending on the time of the day. Buenos días is good morning. Buenas tardes is good afternoon. And buenas noches is good night. Thank you for watching this lesson on behalf of topspanish.com, and you are welcome to view the rest of our lessons. Hasta luego!